During the summertime, we don't want these fuckers around because they shit on our boats and stuff. Look at that. Neighbors hate these things. Actually, I shouldn't say that. Many of them do feed, but take a look at them all. There were no seagulls when we came out. All you got to do is show them some food. Here's some more bread. Hey, Mississippi, this is for you. When we came out, there were no seagulls out here. Look at them all. And here's Aaron and Nikki. They get jealous. I feel like we're in the movie The Birds. Look at the size of them things. Look at the wingspan on this one. I think this must be every friggin' seagull in Ocean County, New Jersey.